everyone, it's Becky Broderick here from Life Below Zero from Cottage Life Television. For me, living in the north, I spend a lot of time isolated. I spend a lot of time in the dark and by myself. So I've had to learn a few things about staying positive in those situations. No matter what situation you find yourself in, you have two choices. You can choose to make it hard and choose to make it negative, or you can choose to make it positive. With COVID-19 happening around the world right now, it's really easy to get into that negative mindset and think of everything that you can't do. But if you make that choice, make that intentional choice to be positive and to think of all the things now that you can do that you didn't have the time to do before, it'll make a big difference. It's helped me get through some really tough times, and I hope it can help other people to know that you have the power to make that choice. Find things that make you happy. Maybe it's something that you need to reconnect with, or maybe it's your chance to find a new passion. Here I am with my dogs, 8 of my best friends, self-isolating out here in the north too. So that's my tip for everyone. You have the power to make your time self-isolating a little bit easier.